Hello everyone and welcome to this quick tutorial video where I show you how to properly download an image and not lose quality from Midjourney. So I prefer to use the Midjourney bot in my own created channel. That way it doesn't get kind of mixed up and lost in the shuffle with all of the other prompts coming through on the Midjourney server. So just make sure you're using the Midjourney bot to, create your prompts and your images here. It just makes it much easier. And what you want to do is once you type in your prompt, like I typed in a fun group of golden retriever puppies all playing in a field, you'll have your 4 different images here. If we want to download all 4 of them, you just right click and go to Save Image. But what I like to do is pick the one that I like best. So in this case, it's image number 3. And I went ahead and clicked on U3, which will upscale the 3rd image in the group of 4. And then as you see here, this image has now been upscaled. Now, I can do a number of things depending on what version of Midjourney you're using. I can zoom out. I can also upscale 2 or 4x if you need the image to be larger. But let's say you have the image that you want right here and you need to download it. The easiest way of doing it, the first option, is just right-clicking on the image and go to Save Image. When you do that, it's going to prompt you to say, what do you want to save it as, where do you want to save it, and the file type's going to be a PNG, and you can change that later in your native photo editor or Photoshop or whatever you want. I normally save mine in PNGs and then save them as JPEGs later. So go ahead and give the file a name, decide where you want to save it, and go ahead and click Save. Now when we open the folder where we saved it, you can see here is the image. If I zoom into it or preview it, you can see here's our cute cluster of puppies right here. Now, another way of saving the image would be to clicking on the image regularly, like left click, and then go to Open in Browser. It's going to open up a new browser tab where you see the image, and then you can just right click on the image, go to Save Image As, and then decide where you want the image to be saved, give it a name, and click Save. As you can see, here is that image that we just saved. Looks similar to the other one as well. And then lastly, you could go to your Midjourney by going to midjourney.com and signing in. Once here, you want to go over to My Images on the left-hand scroll or sidebar there, and you'll be able to see all of the different images or things that you've created, and go ahead and click into one of those images. And you're going to have the ability to either right-click, save image directly from here, or you can click the download button, which is right here, the little down arrow. If we click that down arrow there, you can see it's saved that image there, and we can preview it. There it is on our computer. So again, there are a number of ways which you can download images on Midjourney. Just remember, many people are going to ask me about upscaling the image. Well, in the newer versions of Midjourney, you have these options here to upscale 2 or 4x. If you need it even bigger than that, there are third-party tools that you can utilize. You just need to export at the highest quality or largest upscale and then input it into those custom tools. So that's it. That is 3 different ways you can download images properly from Midjourney. If you have any questions, put those down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.